Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw a square outside a circle. So first we will draw a circle and we'll divide into 4 parts like this. See. Draw vertical and horizontal line and extend them. Now we take this radius and cut from here. This point is O, A, B, C and D. So what you're doing, you're taking O to A and from A you're cutting it, from B, from D and from C. So you'll get 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you need to do, you need to bisect O1. So this is what we are doing, we are drawing tangent at point A. So by drawing tangent, we are getting square. See this, so you draw bisection at A. Same way you draw tangent at point D, you bisect O4. Same way you bisect 2O, so you'll get tangent at point B. And you bisect O3. So this is how you'll get square outside a circle. Thank you.